Hey everybody, we're looking at the Universal Yums Super Yums box. It's the biggest one they make. This is the April of 2023 box. So, see where it's from. Now in these videos, kind of give you a breakdown of what's in them. If you haven't ever done Universal Yums before, it's pretty cool. So you pay for a subscription box. We do it a year at a time. We actually have the Super Yums, which is the biggest one. Every box comes with this right here. It first tells you exactly where all your treats are going to come from. On the back, it tells you all the treats, how you can rate them, information about the last box, so on and so forth. This book right here, one of these books comes with every single box. It's pretty neat. They've actually gotten more and more detailed, lots more information. They've added games, they've added quizzes, all kinds of stuff. Now this is the nuts and bolts, what you really care about. A lot of the items that come in, they do go ahead and take the time and they'll put an American label on here. But sometimes you'll get a label like this that's already in English and you'll see it's actually labeled made in Belgium, keep it room temperature. Van de Molen. It's a cranberry rye cake. That sounds tasty. And something they've recently started doing. The last, I guess, 6 boxes have comes with a drink from that area. Thyme, honey, and turmeric. Like, that's got to be healthy. So let's dive in. So if there's a label that you don't understand, this right here is going to break it down, just matched up with the picture. And towards the back, as you get into it, you're also going to have every single item. You're going to have their nutritional information. So, if that's something you're worried about, there you go. All right, let's dive in. All right, so first off, we'd already seen this. This is the Voldemolden. It is a cranberry rye cake. That actually sounds super tasty. Looks kind of dry, though. It does have a spongy texture. This drink that we'd already looked at. Cheddar Nibbles. Okay, so these are a type of cheddar cracker. Oh, wow. They're literally extremely fragile. As you can tell, most of them are broken, it sounds like. I can feel them in their hole. I don't want to give much pressure. So it's pretty much just probably like a Cheez-It in my mind, right? It's just puffed. You get a lot of these types of things. It's tea cookies, stuff like that. I think I've gotten boxes that are in this shape with cinnamon or sugar or honey flavored cookies. This is a spiced cookie, but I get one in every single box, so that's always nice. Wafers, huge fan of wafers. So they call it right here a butter biscuit. So you've got different languages. It's kind of nice. They've got the translations. Wow, this obviously is sold all over the world. Goodness gracious. But if you want that as your nutritional information right there, as you can see why it's important to have the book, because, well, goodness gracious, you'd have to use like Google Translate or something on that, which, you know, I've done before. Chocolate bonbons. Always a fan of bonbons. One thing, especially about Belgium, any European area, the chocolate is so much better. Always. It's one of my favorite things to get is chocolates. No idea. Violet gummies. I only got that off the sticker on the front. Everything else is in whatever language Belgian people speak, which I don't. Gouda cheese and ham flavored baked snacks. Okay, again, crackers. Sadly, a lot of them are crumbs. Most of these are broken. That's pretty sad. Can't help how they're packed, right? Shipping from USPS. Ketchup flavored chips is my guess. Cuisine something, blah, blah, blah. Sometimes they've got an American label on the back. There we go. Andalusian sauce chips. Interesting. Hard candy of some type. Made in Belgium. Melon candy. Nice. I love melon. I love candy. I like hard candy too. Gummies. Fruit gummy. The little stickers help. Box of truffles. Yep, chocolates, buttercream filling. That is going to be fire. Sorry. Fat guy likes food. Chocolate hearts with salted brownie. Okay. I kind of need to know what that's like. Is there a brownie inside the chocolate? I feel like I need to know more. Made in Belgium. 7 Belgium chocolate hearts with salted brownies. Okay. That's going to be a movie night snack. And, oh, yes. I love cocoa. This isn't as impressive. Cochette you can actually buy here in the U.S. It is a Belgian chocolate, but I think even Target carries this Cochette. Now, they may not carry ginger and blackberry, but they do carry Cochette, which I've bought. I think I've got 5 or 6 in my kitchen right now because I love them. They're very good. It's a very rich and decadent chocolate. I think it has a higher cocoa liqueur, I guess is what it's called, or a cocoa butter. It's got a higher concentration. A lot of people don't know this, is that America, well, some places, I don't know if America does anymore, the FDA stepped up a few years ago, they allowed animal fat and vegetable oils to be added to chocolates to give it that mouthfeel. But you'll notice one of the first things here is chocolate liqueur. And then it goes into cocoa butter and everything else. This is just chocolate and cocoa and flavor. That's going to be tasty. Hazelnut white chocolate. Again, cachet. Raspberry dark chocolate. Man, what a nice box. That's a good haul. I mean, these boxes, I think they're about 35, 40 bucks, 45 bucks. I don't know, something like that. But, I mean, if I was to go to the store and buy 18 different snacks from another country, I'd already spend $2 a piece on these. And these are going to be shipped to my front door. Solid score. I love Universal Yums. Even if I only eat half of the items, like maybe half the items. I have a almond allergy. So there's times that an entire box, I might only be able to have 2 or 3 items because it'll be a box from a country that uses lots of almond flour. I got one that had almond flour, biscuits, almond flour cookies, almond flour miniature cakes, and almond flour fried chips. It was just crazy. So most of the time I'm good, right? I can eat most of the stuff in the boxes. Like this one, I think I can eat about everything. So even when those happen, it still makes it worthwhile to pick up these boxes from Universal Yums, because where else are you going to get this many cool things from other countries? Anyways, all this right here was shipped directly to my front door. Thank you very much, Universal Yums, and thank y'all for watching.